when there's a fire, like what do you do to get safe?
Frisco Fire Safety Town, presented by Texas Health Hospital Frisco, celebrates 15 years of playing safe.
$450,000 kids that have come through here over the 15 years, including 3 of them, which are mine.
The city of Frisco recently celebrated its 15-year milestone of the Miniature Town and Education Center.
Children come home after attending a safety lesson, and they teach their parents what they learned, and that is changing behavior.
Education is really the foundation of our prevention programs.
The open house gave kids and their families a chance to learn some safety lessons and check out the Safety House renovations.
This is near and dear to the community's heart. You know, Frisco, of course, is proud to have been named the #1 safest city in America.
This was a vision of the mayor, the council, but started with Chief Bogart, Fire Chief Bogart, and he went around and looked at safety towns and other places. There were none in the United States. Came back, took that vision, and you see where we are today, 15 years later.
Chief Mac Bogart, he always had this idea of this facility, and he would send us to other cities to look at their buildings and trailers and everything. We came back and we'd tell him what we had, and he was not settled. We're going to do better. We're bringing it to here. We're going to include the FISD, and we're going to make it a premier place. And as you can see, it is.
Voters approved $10 million in bonds to build Central Fire Station and Frisco Fire Safety Town. In 2004, former Fire Chief Mac Bogart traveled to Canada to visit several safety cities to get ideas for Frisco Fire Safety Town. Later that year, Chief Bogart and city leaders broke ground on the future mini-city.
This is an important day for the Frisco Fire Department, hopefully for the youth of Frisco, and it's also the realization of a lot of work on the part of a lot of folks within this community.
When it opened in 2007, Safety Town was the first of its kind in the country.
It's very exciting, and it's everything we had expected it to be, and more.
Safety Town sponsors, including title sponsor Texas Health Hospital Frisco, make the program possible. Leadership Frisco Class of 25 led the renovation project with major support from IKEA and Core Construction. Many sponsors have been in business in Safety Town since the beginning.
There's so many businesses that have contributed to making this a reality. It's incredible to have these partners in our community.
A community where kids have a special place to learn to be safe.
Sometimes kids don't listen to everything I say, and so this gives them an opportunity to hear from other adults in positions of authority that can tell them the rules and what to do and how to handle a fire.
Climbing out the window and getting out of the house. It's cool. It's fun.
And one of the things that stood out to me is that when she came back over the summer from summer camp, one of the things that she was very aware of is how to navigate fire safety. And I was really impressed.
I learned if a piece of your clothing is on fire, you go on the ground and roll around. I learned about the traffic lights, to stop. But I ran the red light because I tried to stop, but I ran. Feel the door. If it's hot, that means there's a fire behind it. And then if it's hot, you can find somewhere else to exit.
It just brings back a lot of memories. You know, my kids were very little. All of them were under the age of 5 when this facility opened. And so they've been through here many times, and I think one day their children will be coming through Safety Town to learn what they did.
To learn more about the program and ways to be safe, go to FriscoFireSafetyTown.com.